Hello and welcome to this short training video on QuizCom Custom Actions. In this video, we'll do an overview of the List Custom Actions settings page. To access the List Custom Actions settings page, you simply navigate to the list on which you wish to create a list custom action. In our case, this list is IT Helpdesk. And from the SharePoint ribbon, in the List category, we have an icon for QuizCom Action Settings. Click on the drop-down and List Custom Actions will be the first choice. This settings page enables you to define custom actions at the list or library level. Those actions are visible in the list views as new buttons in the ribbon. In the first text box of the page called Actions Group Title, you can change the name of the ribbon group in which all your list actions will appear in. In the List Actions section, we can view all our existing list actions as well as create new ones. Simply add a title in the text box, for example, New List Custom Action, and click on Add Action. In the Action Settings section, you can change the title of the action you selected as well as the action description. The action description will be displayed as a tooltip when users hover over the name of the list custom action in the ribbon. The confirmation message is a prompt for the user to validate the operation before the action is started. The action icon URL fields allow you to set a 16 by 16 and a 32 by 32 pixel icon for your custom action so that your users can easily recognize it in the ribbon. The Redirect on Complete field allows you to redirect the user to a preferred page once the action is complete. You can either redirect the user to a custom URL or to a dynamic one such as a specific view, the default view, or the home page of a site. If your custom action also creates an item and you do not add any field groups, you can also navigate directly to the view item or edit item views of that item. Next up, we have the Use this action as the default new item form. Check this checkbox if you wish this action to be triggered when a user clicks the New Item ribbon button. The first action in the list that applies to the current user will be used. In the Action Visibility section, we can set where and to whom this action will be visible. In the Users or Groups fields, you can decide to show this custom action to everyone by leaving it blank or to show it to only certain people. You can enter usernames or a SharePoint group to whom this custom action will be visible. A bit lower, we can define in which list views this action will be visible. If you do not select any views, the action will be visible in all the list view pages. The Create New List Item property allows us to create a new list item and auto-populate some of its fields. When checking this column, a new set of properties will appear. First, you can select what content type you want the new item created by this custom action to use. In the Auto Update Fields group, you can assign values right away to fields created with this custom action. For example, when a user goes to a help desk list and creates a new ticket, you could automatically assign the Reported By field to the user currently opening the ticket. In the Visible Fields Group section, you can define which fields should be displayed when creating the new item. For example, a new help desk ticket will only display the information about the problem without showing the fields for the issue resolution. In the Initiate Workflow section, you can run certain workflows on the item automatically once the action is complete. This is it for the overview. In the next videos, we will dig deeper on how to create custom actions.